What is up, YouTube? TwinPack24 here, and today I'm playing Zombie Grinder, and yes, it is a indie game. And I've done the tutorial already, so I wouldn't have to bore you guys with that and whatnot, but I guess I gotta select my profile. This is the second time I'm doing this because the first time the servers crashed, so I'm just gonna play single player. But so far, I like this game. I like the music in it. Just listen to that for a good second. It's just beautiful. So let me just select my profile. Okay. And in the menu, for some reason, you can't move around with the mouse. You have to use the arrow keys, and to select stuff, you have to press the space bar, not enter, which is like really weird, and it makes everything pretty slow. So I'm assuming I guess I can't go into a single player game, I guess, because after I did the... And it looks like they change who you are every time you come in. Because last time I was like a Christopher Columbus character with blue hair. It was like really weird. Now I'm this dude with like a freaking faux hawk, but I don't know. I don't know how this works. I just went to the store or whatever, and the server crashed. Because I am on a server, because obviously this is online. There's online play, but I guess there is no single player unless you create your own world, I guess. I honestly have no idea. But okay, here's the salon. Maybe I can fix myself so I don't look like this. It's a sign. Wow, really? I didn't know that. Oh, I forgot though. In this game, you don't start off with money, and I don't know how to get money at all. And these people look a little bit too happy. There's just like blood all over the place. It's pretty sick, but sick as in gross, not sick as in cool. For all you youngsters out there watching. I hope you guys can hear me because this this audio is really loud. I wonder how you... Okay, this is how you talk to people. How do we get to the zombies? I have to go up to him for him to see it. Where'd he go? Honestly, I don't know where he went. So yeah, I honestly don't know what the heck is going on. I know in there is the shop, but I can't buy anything there because I don't have any money. So I really hope you guys can hear this because this audio is very loud. This guy's still here. Okay. How do I... Can hop over the fence? What the heck? What is this? My Little Pony? That's weird. Dr. Soda. Whoops, tree branch. Bench. Okay, there's the hospital. Hold on, real quick. I'm gonna turn down the volume real quick. Okay, cause that was really loud in my ears. Manage character. Maybe I can... See, look, that's the guy who I was before. This is looking Columbus dude. So, I guess we can change characters. I'd rather be Jordan, Delco, Travis, and Tim. Tim looks cooler, so I guess I'll equip his head, which is very weird to say. Okay, and I got the gun. What is this? Oh, I guess to change the color of our clothes. I don't really care what color. See, I think they should make the mouse usable because I have to like keep clicking down to go all the way down to the thing. So, okay, let's just get back. Now we're no, what was his name? Tim? I don't even remember. Okay, there's the hospital. How do I play? The signpost, the gamer center. Find maps you want to play and start them. Okay. Thanks. Maybe if it actually said something on the sign, I wouldn't have thought it was a joke. But that's besides the point. So, okay. So we're here. Game center. Welcome to the game center. From here, you can select different maps and we will match you up with other players playing or wanting to play that map. I don't join any map. Okay, we're waiting. But this music is bomb. Let's just listen to that for a good second. Very good. Oh my god. Finally something. Something that's cool now. So as you can see, it's like... I don't want to say 8-bit style, but it's kind of retro style type of game, and then the graphics are really nice considering it's all cartoony. But I guess I gotta this Dakota guy is really good. Oh, he's out of ammo. Shoot, we could just watch him and he could play the game for us. Okay, so it looks like this is kind of like Call of Duty Zombie-ish. Buy guns off the wall and it looks like you buy health. And you're dead. And I'm level 0. So, because I just joined, so... Let's hope we can do this. We're just waiting. Waiting for our spawn. Waiting. Alright. I don't know what to do, so... Okay, I got a gun. First time playing, don't know what to do. You can move objects, it looks like, so I guess I'll move this object here. Let's do what that guy's doing. Okay, okay. Not yet. So, I don't know who he's talking to. Sorry if you guys can hear that. My garage is opening. If you can hear that. Or the mic vibrating, or whatever. I have no idea what's going on. Are they here already? So far this is good. I'm getting low frames, but I'm still having fun. Okay, what are we doing? My health is the lowest out of everyone. I have no idea how that happened. This is pretty fun. Really fun. I think I'm shooting them, I have no idea. Everyone's just in a cluster. I only have 600. How much is this? 1500. Can you like, is this like, no. So we're just in this one room? Why does that dude keep talking about I just want to customize my character personally. Forget all this other stuff. Customize my character and get better guns. Wait for 24 remaining. I honestly can't tell if I'm out of bullets or not. Oh, I'm not. Begin those bullets. Need about less than 1,000 more. Like at least like 900, I think. I honestly don't know. I'm not that good at math. Okay, wave 27. Okay, that looks like a item in this game, I guess. Instead of here. So I ranked up to level 1, so I guess to start at level 0. Someone died. Oh, rest in peace, whoever you were. At least I'm not the person to die, considering I'm only level 1, barely. But I'm not good at action. How much is health? Wait, how much? Well, I died. I'm gonna turn the volume up. No. Oh, I'm gonna get revived? Thanks, Regina. That was her name, right? Regina? I hope it was. Oh, damn, that's not me. Rusty's gonna run to me thinking I'm gonna revive him when I'm surrounded by like 5 zombies. Change map. I guess we're gonna stop here. I guess I'm gonna make a part 2. So let's just. Oh my God. So. Thank you for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. There will be a part 2 because this game is freaking fun. Even though I didn't know what I was doing the first time, there will be more gameplay of this because it is fun. And then just listen to that music. Great music. Like, I have headphones in, so it might be really loud. If you guys can barely hear it, I'm going to turn it up right now. See, isn't it really just good? And then like these random little quotes, and I can't wait to like upgrade my upgrade my character and all that other stuff. and then just have like a bunch of fun with this, because obviously you get to play online. I might ask my friends to come and play this because this is just fun. Multiplayer, fuck this. I like those little quotes especially, and the music's just amazing. So thanks for watching, and bye.